Good day, students. I am Chrissy and I am Mom Teen. Today, we will discuss on how to take body measurements for ladies' skirt. Before we will proceed to our topic, let us define some terms that will be used during our discussions. The first word is prominent. What does it mean, Mom Teen? Prominent means the noticeable part of the body. Next term is buttocks. Buttocks is the seat of the body. And the waistline? Waistline is the smallest part of the torso or body. These are the questions that we will answer as we go on with our discussions. Question number 1. What are the pointers in taking body measurements? Number 2. Why is there a need to determine the exact location of the waist? And number 3, how do you measure the waist, hips, and skirt length? Before you start taking body measurements, be sure to have in hand the following tools and materials. Tape measure, which is the standard measuring device for taking body measurements. Paper and pencil, used to record the needed body measurements. And these are some pointers in taking body measurements. Number 1, stand naturally when being measured. Number 2, do not take your own body measurements. Number 3, empty pockets, remove belt and extra clothing before taking body measurements. Number 4, follow the correct sequence in taking body measurements. Number 5, measurements should be taken snugly. And number 6, list down the measurements taken and make the necessary computation. And now, Mom Christine will demonstrate to you on how to take the body measurements needed for ladies' skirt. See you later, students! First, we have to locate the exact location of the waist because if it is accurately located, it contributes to accurate body measurements which help in producing a well-fitted garment. Waistline is taken around your waist, which is approximately 2 inches above your hip bone. For the hip line, measure 7 inches downward from the waistline and wrap the tape measure around the hip line. Hip line is the prominent part of the buttocks. Add 2 fingers for easing. For the skirt length, measurement is taken from the waist down to the desired length of the skirt. Thank you, Mom Christine, and special thanks to our model, Mom Jam. Did we answer all the 3 questions? Yes, very good. And now, let us check what you have learned about our topic. Are you ready? We learned that there are some pointers in taking body measurements, right? For items 1 to 5, have to answer true if the statement is one of the pointers, and you will answer false if the statement is wrong. Number 1. Stand naturally when being measured. The answer is true. Question number 2. Take your own body measurements. The answer is false. Number 3. The measurement should be tight. The answer is false. 4. The correct sequence in taking body measurement should be followed. The answer is true. Very good. Last number for true or false. Number 5. Remove extra clothing before taking body measurements. Very good. The answer is true. For question number 6, complete the sentence by choosing the letter of the best answer. Okay, here's the statement. We have to locate the exact location of the waist because letter A, it contributes to accurate body measurements which help in producing a well-fitted garment. Letter B, it gives you a sexier look. Letter C, it helps in determining the shoulder. The correct answer is letter A. We have to locate the exact location of the waist because it contributes accurate body measurements which help producing well-fitted garment. For questions number 7 to 10, you have to choose the letter of the correct answer. Question number 7. How many fingers will be inserted when measuring the circumference of the hips? Letter A, 3 fingers. Letter B, 5 fingers. Letter C, 2 fingers. You are correct. The answer is letter C. You have to insert 2 fingers when measuring the circumference of the hips. Number 8. This measurement is taken around the prominent part of the buttocks. Letter A, hip line. Letter B, skirt length. Or letter C, waistline. Very good. The answer is hip line. Hip line is a measurement taken around the prominent part of the buttocks. Question number 9. How many inches will you measure to locate the hip line? Letter A, 4 inches. Letter B, 7 inches. Or letter C, 6 inches. You are right. The correct answer is letter B. You will measure 7 inches from waist downward to locate the hip line. Question number 10. Which measurement is taken from the waist down to the desired length of skirt? Letter A, waistline. Letter B, skirt length. Or letter C, hip line. You are correct. The answer is letter B, skirt length. Skirt length is taken from the waist down to the desired length of skirt. We do believe that you got a perfect score. Congratulations! That's all for today. Let us call it a day. Bye. Bye. Shalom.